everyone, welcome back to my channel Lady Like Me. This is Sherry. In today's video, I wanted to vlog this whole thing. I wasn't honestly thinking that I will do this video today. It just popped into my head that I should film this. What I'm doing right here is I am recreating my favorite green juice. Before I got pregnant, I used to go to our local store and get this juice 2 times or 3 times a week. I love it so much. The thing is, I know what's on my green juice, so today we went grocery shopping and I decided to just buy all of those ingredients that's in front of you right here and try to make my green juice on my own. I washed everything carefully, and as you can see, I don't have a juicer. I have a blender. I don't know how will I do this. I just want to film this video because if I get this right, then I will post this video on my channel so you guys can also try it. It is really good, and I really hope that I get this right. Anyway, let's start. I have here all of my ingredients. To be honest with you, I wasn't really planning on doing a video today. I just got up from my nap. It's already, look, it's almost 8 p.m. and I'm doing this. So let's go ahead and start. These are everything that I need for my green juice. I call it juice even if I'm maybe like actually making just a smoothie. I don't know, it's my first time, so bear with me. I have here like a cup or 1.5 cups of spinach. I took 2 of these and then I pull out all the leaves, and then I have here my parsley, lemon right here, the ginger for that kick, and also some apples for the sweetness. If I get the right blend of this, I will put everything, the exact measurements on my description box. So that's it. I am ready to make this juice. Cold water. Let's put all of the greens right here. The parsley, the ginger, the apples, and lemon. Let's make sure everything is incorporated. I decided to put 2 more apples for this smoothie so that it becomes sweet. I wanted to add 1 more cup of water. I have here my green juice and I hope it tastes the same. taste the same, but the green juice that I always get is more, how do I describe this? It's more tasty, I guess, because they are using, of course, a juicer, and I'm just using this one.
More potent.
Yeah, I think it's more potent.
Theirs is more stronger. I think you put more water in there.
Ah.
Yeah. Theirs is more stronger. Probably put a lot more. A little bit.
But it's fine. It's my first time. I'll just put smaller amount of water. That's what I'm saying. They were using a juicer and I'm using a blender.
Yeah, but not bad at all.
It still tastes good, right?
Oh yeah.
I will just put all of the measurements on my description box. It is really good, but if you have a juicer, it will be better. Just use the same ingredients that I showed you. You can always, you know, create your own type of juice. Depends on what tickles your fancy. If you like it more stronger or with more ginger or sweeter with more apples, then you can go ahead and do it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.